In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format pie charts in Looker Studio. We'll guide you through the setup and styling options, ensuring your pie charts are not only informative, but visually appealing as well. Let's start with setting up your pie chart. In the Setup tab, you'll begin with configuring your data. It's crucial to use one dimension and one metric for your pie chart. Attempting to include more than this will prevent the chart from rendering properly. Pie charts in Looker Studio can accommodate up to 50 slices. Should your data exceed this, any additional values will be automatically grouped together into an Others slice, ensuring your chart remains clear and manageable. If you're working with multi-level data, enabling the drill-down feature is incredibly beneficial. This option allows for in-depth exploration, such as diving deeper from a broad category like country into more specific ones like city, providing an interactive and detailed view of your data. Additionally, Looker Studio offers the flexibility of switching between different metrics seamlessly. This is made possible through the optional metrics feature. You can also opt to filter views dynamically using a metric slider, which is a great way to customize the data displayed in real time. Now, moving on to the Style tab, where you can really make your pie chart stand out through visual customization. Let's first consider label visibility and format. With value labels, you have the choice to display none, utilize a legend, or show labels with slice connectors. Choosing how your label appears, whether it be the label itself, the value, label and value together, a percentage, or the label with the percentage, allows you to convey information clearly and effectively. Next, consider the donut style and slice display options. You can decide whether to present your pie chart as a solid pie or a donut by adjusting the inner radius, or as it's referred to, the donut hole. This percentage can be set anywhere from 0 to 100, giving you full control over how much empty space is displayed at the center of your chart. Additionally, you have the option to select the number of slices to display, and an efficient way to manage less significant data points is to combine them into the Others category. Coloring is another crucial aspect of styling. You can apply a single color across your chart using a gradient of shades from one base color, or manually assign colors by slice order, ensuring uniformity and easier identification of different segments. Consistent coloring can also be ensured by assigning specific colors to dimension values, maintaining a standard color scheme across your presentations. Lastly, let's talk about partial circles. This option allows you to create unique visual effects, such as semicircles or even quarter pies, by customizing the start and end angles of your pie chart. The range spans from -360 to +360 degrees. For example, setting your start angle at 0 and your end angle at 90 degrees would yield a quarter pie. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to formatting pie charts in Looker Studio. With these steps, you can create pie charts that are not only visually appealing, but also tailored to present your data effectively.